In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete a WhatsApp group. So let's get straight into it, and you first need to head over to the WhatsApp application and then just click on the group that you want to delete. Now, in order to delete a group, you need to ensure that you're first an admin of the group. So to do that, click on the group name at the very top here, and then if you scroll down, you just need to ensure that your profile is set to admin. As you can see here next to my name, it says admin, which means I have the permissions to delete the group. Now, before we scroll down and exit the group, you need to first make sure you've removed all of the other members from the group. Now, unfortunately, there is no one single button that will remove all the members for you. So you'll need to do this individually for each member. So to do this, just click on the member that you want to remove and then go ahead and select remove from group. Now, like I said, make sure to do this with everyone that you have in the group. And once you've removed all of the members, we then need to clear all of the chat history. So to do that, just press on the clear chat button at the bottom, click on clear all messages, and as you can guess, this will clear all of the chat history from the WhatsApp group. So now that you've removed all of the members and you've cleared the chat history, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom and select exit group. And finally, we can just click on exit group. And then at the bottom, you'll have this option called delete group. So go ahead and click that. And finally, just press delete group. And that's it, guys. That's how you permanently delete a WhatsApp group. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.